Yo, what up? It's your boy. I wasn't even gonna hit him with this today, but I'm just looking for chicken rice in Bangkok. So I just wanted to like find a close spot by my crib. And next thing you know, I found a spot that said Singapore Chicken and Rice. So you know we had to check that out. And it was only like 8 minutes from my crib. So we jumped on the bike, put that bitch in the GPS, and now check it out. Look how we living, son. I'm gonna show y'all chicken rice spot. Singaporean classic chicken rice in Bangkok. What? Yo, smells just like Singapore, son. Yo, we just finished eating some real deal Singaporean style chicken rice. It was up in Bangkok, in the Thon Lo area, right off the Ekamai, which is off the chain. They even had the char siu, the roasted pork, and the duck. And I thought I was just getting chicken rice, so I had a special little surprise when we had the chicken, the pork, and the duck. And it was so good, we had to get 2 meals. So, chicken rice, Bangkok, Singapore style.